Jacques Genin's shop. He's one of Paris' most famous chocolatiers, from handcraft ganaches, Millennium Off caramels. This is a true paradise for chocolate lovers. We picked up a small box and it was delicious. Very expensive candy. He does a lot of various designs. This candy is it's like a passport. um, it was very delicious, and just even the box, very delicately wrapped. The box itself is slick and silver with a smooth brush, metal finish, sturdy, elegant. Um, has a perfect little click when you open it. It's like unboxing a treasure. We ate most of them, but these are the few that we have left. Very crafted, and this is just the little candies that he did. He's created all kinds of stuff, as you see in the pictures. A chocolate elephant, chocolate figures, and also he has candy, fruit candy, all kinds of things, and pastries. So very delicious. Like I said, very expensive, but just nice to experience that. We went to the shop that's in Rue 27 Rue, but he has other places, as you can see here. Get a chance, check it out if you're in Paris. It's just a shop. It's an experience to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.